Hello, sir. My name is Ezhilarasan. My register number is 19BCA0024, and my seminar topic is Firebase Authentication used for applications, mobile applications. Actually, Firebase Authentication is provided by Google Firebase. Using Firebase Authentication, we can enable the validation activity in our Android applications. In my project, I am using the email and password validation type, but Firebase is also providing a lot of validations like Google, Twitter, Facebook. So we can also use this kind of validations in your Android applications. First, we need to create an app in Firebase. I am giving the project name. After clicking continue, we are asked to enable Google Analytics for our project. I am enable it and clicking continue. Then we need to provide the account for this project. After clicking the main project, our Firebase project will be created in few seconds. Okay, now we need to give continue. Okay, this is our project. Now we need to link our application to this project. For that, we need to provide the application package name. Then we can also give a nickname to our project, so it will be easy to identify the project in Firebase. Also, we can also give the SHA certificate of our application, but it is optional, so I am not giving that. So we are clicking the register app button. Now I am clicking the next. So actually we can download the Google JSON file, but I am downloading it later. Then we can add the dependencies in our Gradle. So these are the features that Firebase provide to a particular project: authentication, cloud file store, etc. Now I am getting started with the authentication feature. I am enabling the email password authentication mode. Firebase also providing a lot of authentications like Google, Facebook, Play Store, etc. After enabling the particular authentication type, I am going to download the Google JSON file from setting. So this file, which has every configuration of the particular project, so we can link this particular file to our app by going to that Android Studio. Then your project, then we can paste that particular file in that app. Okay, these are the configuration details. Okay, I already created the sign page, login page, and the home page. So now you are seeing that XML part. So this is the login page UI. This is the home page. So main activity is referred as register activity. You see, I am importing a particular Firebase authentication So before doing that, we should implement the particular dependency in Gradle, so that only you can use the particular feature of the Firebase. So you see, I am implemented a Firebase authentication dependency. Now I am creating a instance for that Firebase auth class. Okay. Now we are using a inbuilt function, that is create user with email and password, where you need to provide two parameters, the email and password, which we get from the edit text. Okay, 1 minute I'll show you. You see, I am getting that value from the edit text and converting it to the string. So using that m of the object of the Firebase auth, I am using a function. Then I am adding the add complete listener. So it will create two tasks. One task is successful, another not successful. Where I providing a close message whether the registration is successful or not. In login, what actually I did in register, it's the same we did in login also. Like first we need to create an object for the Firebase auth class. Then we need to initialize that object, like m auth equal to m auth equal to Firebase authenticate instance. But the single change what we are doing is in register we used a function called create user with email password, but here in login activity we are using a function called sign in with email and password. The same, we need to provide two parameters which we get from the edit text, and we convert it to the we can convert it to the string. Then we need to provide those parameters in that function. Then I am adding that add and complete listener. It will create two tasks. The success task and the failure task. I am creating. I am adding a two message called sign in successful and a failure message sign in failed. Actually, I also added a progress bar. So after the sign is failed or successful, we should make them gone. Then this is the validation which I did for the edit text fields. So this is the application. I am providing the name, email, and the password. Okay, after clicking the register button, the progress bar will be shown, and okay, there is a dose message registered. When I go to the Firebase project, then after going to the authentication feature, you see it's loading. You see there is a mail is registered with the in authentication, and this is the package name of my application that I linked to this project. Now I am again registering the app, but we get a message called the email is already registered. So now I'm logging to the application by providing the name, email, and password. So it will allow you to navigate to the home activity. But when I log in with a different email, what will happen? Let me see that this is a new email. Now I am clicking the login button. We get an error called signing failed. No user is corresponding to that. application. So thank you.